Another solution for a V100 mechanical mirror is the MRC. There will be instances that it's the desired solution. It's relatively easy to install. A V100 will be, if it's pre-ordered from Taggle, it will come with the bracket installed. But for this video, we will show how to install the bracket to the V100 long nose mirror. So to do this, you have to align the clamp to the mirror properly, aligning the holes. Once it's aligned, you have to secure the clamp to itself with these two screws on the side. Once that is secured, there should be minimal space between the body of the mirror and the bracket. Now we need to insert the MRC to the mirror. So to do that, just align the unit itself to the bracket and push it in. Once it's pushed in, you need this screw, an M3 screw, to secure the MAMR or the MRC to the bracket. Once that's installed, you then put a cap for tamper-proofing. Now, to make sure that the MRC is the correct solution to the area, or you have to swipe the unit with the magnet on the side of the AMR. So you can see there's now a transmission that we're receiving. We received 4 out of 5 now, and 5 out of 5 transmission, and we're hearing it from negative 137.9 dB to 71.4. As I've said earlier, or in my previous videos, the recommendation of Taggle is to use a tag when the reception we get is from negative 130 and below, which means negative 130 to probably negative 60 or negative 50 if you can find that. Or if you want to use the color code on these bars, it should be around the orangey thing until from green to the orange. If it's just red, it's not good. And also, we recommend that 4 out of 5 transmission is the least number of receptions you get, unless, for example, you get 71 and then you only get 2. Probably that's good. Probably there's something in the area that needs to be fixed. But for now, I think we should go for 4 out of 5 at the very least transmissions received, and negative 130 and below for the signal.